2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, front wheel drive, hard disk drive media storage, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, rear view camera, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.